SmartRapper gang.
What up, SmartRapper gang? I'm Rob Level, the best rapper you know. That also gives you all the information that I guess all the other rappers in the entire industry don't want you knowing, because you're going to be able to catch up to them, okay? And today we're going to talk about, well, screw talk about, we're going to compare, and you're going to be able to see which, this was crazy to me. We're going to compare my new SoundCloud and the engagement on my SoundCloud versus a super famous rapper like Famous Dex and his SoundCloud engagement. This is, when I saw it, I had to make a video on this. By the way, today's video is 100% just for educating artists. This is in no way, shape, or form to throw shade at Famous Dex at all, okay? I actually have songs coming with people inside of Famous Dex's camp. You guys are gonna love those songs. Additionally, I'm from Southside Chicago, and I have massive love for any artist that represents Chicago. So I'm just throwing that out there as a heads up. Somebody be like, oh, you dissing. No, I'm just showing you the results that I've received and how they compare to somebody as successful as Famous Dex. Because it's crazy, and you're gonna see. I'm showing you what you can do when you have the right audience and the right music that really gets people engaged, even at a lower level compared to an artist that's 10 times my size at the moment. I'm gonna show you how powerful the music marketing that I've been doing for my own music is, and you're gonna be able to see the results of that and also apply that music marketing to your own music so you can grow. And before we start, I have to let you know I have a free, 100% free SoundCloud course on how I went from 0 followers to 1,000 followers on SoundCloud and tons of streams and loads of engagement in less than 1 month. 100% free. You can sign up for it in the link below. That being said, I'm going to show you this really crazy comparison of what I'm able to even do compared to somebody like Famous Dex with my music marketing. I'm going to show you that right at the intro.
Wait, we trap. This was bound to happen. Got loot, no cap. You know we bout to action.
See, it might not make no sense, but it made a lot of sense to me. I'ma finish where I started, plus I'm charging up a fee. Teachers used to call me stupid, now my pockets would agree. In my penthouse, I be laughing, he.
Now, I was writing an article about SoundCloud and the engagement and the ratios on a successful artist page. Like how many comments did they get for how many plays and how many reposts, how many followers, all of these different things, right? And I stumbled upon it and I was like, let me think about what artist could I go that really uses SoundCloud. And I went to Famous Dex's profile and I looked at the numbers and started comparing the ratios. And then I was like, yo. I started comparing his numbers and engagement, the comments and the reposts and the likes on his versus mine. On his popular song that he released just a month ago, he has 187,000 streams, 7,285 likes, 567 reposts, and 348 comments. And this is all with 255,000 followers on his SoundCloud. That's something that like every artist wishes they had, right? Now remember, I just started a brand new SoundCloud, barely even started marketing it within the last 2 months. I mean, from zero, from scratch, with nothing on it. Now my new song that I just released 10 days ago, is called Wait, We Trapped.
Wait, we trapped.
And it already has 300 comments and 736 reposts.
Oh God.
In 10 days. This means I have 200 more reposts than his song has, and I also have just about 40 less comments than he has. And my song has been out a third of the time. And this is a brand new SoundCloud. He has 255,000 followers. Woo! Now what this proves is, and again, no shade, just comparing here to show you, this is the power of my music marketing methods. And you can go look and see, these are all real comments. These are real reposts. These are real likes. Everything's real. Go look. You can go look at the profiles, click to the person's profile. It's a real person. But I'm showing you that my way of music marketing is massively engaging, and it gets everybody to engage, which does what? It actually makes my songs look more popular than an actual popular artist song because of the amount of people interacting and engaging with the song. And when you can get people to engage and interact with your music, that's when you know you have a strong fan base. How is it possible that with the amount of followers that I have compared to the amount of followers he has, which he literally has 20 times the followers more than I have, and had 3 times the time to accumulate the plays and the statistics, that I actually had more engagement? Well, it's because of my music marketing. And you can learn a lot of that stuff, again, for free in my SoundCloud course, which is in a link below. 0 to 1,000 followers and a massive amount of engagement. This stuff works. Actually, I'm actually gonna put this on the screen. This wasn't actually part of the script I wrote. But somebody DM'd me this morning like, Rob, you hacked SoundCloud. And I'm like, you know what? I did. I figured out how to do it, and I teach you that stuff, okay? Link is gonna be below, but let's keep going. Let's look at these stats and just break them down a little more. Let's say my song was at 187,000 streams, which is almost 20 times what I currently have on my plays. This means by the time my song gets to that point, I would have 12,440 likes, almost 15,000 reposts, which is how many likes he has, and almost 5,000 comments. And of course we have to take into account that people are playing the song over and over again, so of course it gets to the higher number because people have the song on repeat, it's been on 3 times longer. I understand that. I'm just saying, that's crazy if I were to retain that amount of engagement on the song as it grew. Think about that. That's crazy. But also take into account everybody playing his song isn't resulting in the likes and the comments and the reposts, while mine did. And it's all because of the way that I marketed the song on SoundCloud. Imagine what'll happen when I'm as big as him and I'm using these marketing strategies as well as the marketing strategies him and his team are using. It's gonna be crazy. And I'm headed towards that. So make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna teach you everything I learned on the way there. That's why I made Smart Rapper. You can learn as I learn. I learn, I teach you, and you can get to the top with me. Make sure you hit the little bell button too so you get notified when I release videos. Because I release a video, well, from here to the end of the year, every single day. And I already have videos lined up. Oh my God, I've shot over 130 videos in the last week and a half, and I have another 100 to shoot. But that's also because of my courses and my Black Friday stuff. That's gonna be insane. Anyways, I have lots of stuff coming. You wanna learn? Yeah. I'm giving you all the info. Now again, this is all possible because of the way that I marketed my music on SoundCloud. I studied SoundCloud hardcore, and I'm like, how can I break this? How can I get around this? How can I make this happen? How can I really make the needle move from nothing, from 0 followers, which is where you guys probably are at right now. No offense, maybe say you get 100 followers. No offense, I don't want to be offensive. But whatever, I can teach you how to build it. Free course, 100% free. Link is below, I got your back. Or go to smartrapper.com/SoundCloud course, all together. Last thing here, and this is for you specifically, aside from the fact that you can get the free SoundCloud course, this is for you. Anybody who's serious and is marketing the SoundCloud, every month, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna repost 5 people or more of people's music that I like. So when I repost it, you're gonna get onto my SoundCloud profile and you can start gaining fans. That means as I'm doing my music marketing and driving all the traffic to SoundCloud, you can gain the same fans that I'm gaining because I'm gonna repost the best music, okay? And then I'll build a playlist and have it in the playlist month to month. You know what I'm saying? So the way that you're gonna be able to get me to repost your music is to follow me on SoundCloud.com/RobLevel, okay? Right? And then also, you gotta follow me on Instagram too. Rob_level, okay? And when you do that, you can DM me your music. What's gonna happen is me and my team are gonna review these songs and we're gonna choose 5 songs a month to repost. And that means your song's gonna sit on my profile for a month, okay? Or until the end of the month from the moment we do that. And we're gonna keep going through and you're gonna be able to gain fans the whole time, okay? It's pretty much like me co-signing you, right? But you gotta be good. You gotta be good. So do that. Follow me on Instagram. So do that. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on SoundCloud, all right? Make sure you check out all my new music because I'm a monster. You gotta be confident in it, and I'm very confident. I'm a beast. So you're gonna like my music, especially since I have a new song coming every single month from here for the next 2 years. I got it all lined up. It's takeoff time. Follow me to the top. Let me guide you. Let me grab your hand. Let's get up there. Follow me. Send me your music. Want to check it out? Get that free stream from me and my team. I'll repost the best people. Let's get it. Links are below. SoundCloud.com/RobLevel, Instagram.com/Rob_level. All right, and then get that free SoundCloud course. SmartRapper.com/SoundCloud course, or all the links are below this video in the description. Don't miss out on this. I'm helping everybody. I'm guiding you, and I'm bringing you to the top with me. Let's do this. And again, no offense, no shade, no nothing towards Famous Dex. Fantastic artist. This was just a comparison video that I noticed, and I wanted to share with people to prove that my marketing works. All right, let's get it. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top, especially when I'm pulling you up there.